Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Scoop TV application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and go to the search box and type in the Scoop TV. Once you make a search for it, look for this application and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Scoop TV is a free application that provides access to live and on-demand videos from conservative political commentators. The app features a variety of content including news, commentary, and interviews. Once the application is downloaded on your device, you can launch the app open within a few minutes. So that's how easily you can download the Scoop TV application for your iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.